What's good, prima donnas? Back again today with another video, and you probably could already tell by the title, but today I am gonna be doing my birthday glam for you guys. So this is gonna be a full get ready with me. I'm gonna show you guys how I got my makeup look, how I got this cute ass hairstyle, also my nails and the outfits. Funny little story, my birthday was actually yesterday, but I actually went on Instagram today and vented to you guys how I was so upset how I did not get not one birthday photo to post, neither on IG. I didn't get to film a birthday get ready with me for here on YouTube. So I was kind of like bummed out about it. I felt like my birthday weekend was like completely over. And then you guys were like, sis, why don't you just redo your birthday look and take some photos right there in your beauty room? And I was like, you know what? It's actually a fucking fab idea. So I actually just literally redid my birthday makeup. So this is actually the look that I had for kind of like my birthday party. I just kind of like revamped it and made it better. Because you know when you do something the second time around, you're like, yeah, I could like finesse it way better. So the first time I actually didn't have a lot of time. So I literally only had 2 hours to get ready. And I know that that sounds like a lot of time, but it was literally 3 of us trying to get ready in a matter of 2 hours. So I had my other 2 best friends here with me, which my other best friend, we were also celebrating her birthday with mine. So it was 2 birthday girls trying to look fab all in one beauty room. So it literally was not a lot of time. So I kind of like did this look, but not as fire as it came out today. And I didn't get to the rhinestones. I actually just popped glitter in my inner corner. But this is actually what I originally wanted my birthday makeup to look like. So I was just like, you know what? Fuck it. We're just going to sit here, film it, and give you guys my vision of my ultimate birthday glam. So I hope you guys do like it. I was getting a lot of requests on IG to show you guys how I did the hairstyle. So I did that in today's look as well. And if you guys are wondering, the eye makeup actually inspired by my top, which you guys actually seen me get this top from Shein. You guys, this top is like literally like $6, no lie. Yeah, another good thing about this look and about my birthday is that my birthday is close to the holidays. So you can actually, so if your birthday is coming up, this will be a fiery ass birthday look if you guys want to recreate this look for your birthdays. Or I feel like this look will be perfect as well for New Year's and Christmas, because it is kind of like a soft glam up top, and then you got like your dramaticness on the bottom with the rhinestones. And it's very extra, you guys, very eye-catching, very birthday, very New Year's. So yeah, if you guys want to, you know, use this look for the holiday season, feel free to use it. This is another reason why I really wanted to film this look. And I wouldn't have asked for a better birthday if it wasn't for all these people. So again, thank you, prima donnas. Thank you for all my friends and family. I love you guys so much. And thank you all for celebrating my 26th birthday with me. This year has been crazy, and I'm just so grateful to be alive. I'm so grateful to be where I am today. And you guys, y'all just amazing, and thank you so much. I'm getting mad emotional, you know. The older I get, like I said, as my birthday comes, like I just be so like, whew. I think that's about it. Like I said, I don't want to drag this intro super long, but yeah, I hope you guys do enjoy this look. Thank you all again for wishing me a happy birthday. I love you all, and until next time, guys, bye. I'm fucking 26. First things first, of course, is these nails. As you guys can see, they looking real crusty and dusty. So I actually had a previous set on, but I was way past due for a fill-in and a soak. So shout out to my friend Christian NDK for helping your girl take off these nails at literally 1 in the morning. So the next day I did have a birthday nail appointment with the best, Jennifer Jasmine. And my nail tech is actually located in New York. If you guys are interested, I will leave her information down in the description box. But yeah, you guys, these is the after nails, and this is the big birthday energy money set. You guys, we wanted to do a money and pink type of set, of course, but glam it out with rhinestones, glitter, you know, some foil, all of that. Like, she killed this set. So thank you so much, Jennifer, for bodying my birthday nails. This is honestly my favorite set that we've done. So yeah, her info will be in the description box. So now moving on to makeup, I am now gonna quickly lay my brows and do some skincare, of course, because we want to pamper ourselves before we throw the beat on, you know what I'm saying? So I like to get my eyebrows intact, of course, by using some edge control. Yes, this is edge control for your baby hairs. I like to use them to actually lay my eyebrow hairs flat and actually shape them the way I want. So as you can see, the before and after with actually doing this step, you can actually make your brow look a lot fuller. That way you can fill it in less, if that makes sense, so you don't use that much product and it gives more of that microbladed type of look. So anyway, now I am giving my skin some love and giving it some good old skincare by giving it some moisturizer, some eye cream, some lip balm, you know, the use before we go in and put on all our makeup. Shout out to my boyfriend for getting me an iced coffee from Dunkin' Donuts. Girl, I definitely needed this. Am I the only one that has to like eat all the whipped cream first before I actually start drinking the coffee? I don't know, or is that just me? Okay, moving on to this eye look. First things first, we're taking the Plouise base in the shade Rumor 2 to give our eyes a nice blank canvas. And after I blended that out and got it nice and worked in, now I am actually going to set that with powder. I never usually set this base with powder, but today we're going for an all matte type of eyeshadow look. So I decided to set it. So now we're going to go in with the Morphe Madison Beer palette. This palette is stunning, you guys, and definitely worth it. Actually reminds me of the Makeup by Mario one. No shade, you guys, but half the fucking price. So I highly recommend this one. So now I'm going in with that beautiful chocolatey brown color, and I'm taking this actually on one of the Morphe Nikita Dragon brushes, and this one is more of like a flat small brush, which is perfect for packing color onto your outer corner. And now, as you've seen, I am taking both of those neutral shades to help me blend this color out and of course give us that nice smoky effect for this eye look. So yeah, I am now blending this out with one of the BH Cosmetics Rose Gold collection brushes. I believe this is the number 6 brush, one of my favorite brushes hands down, because it's a very small blending brush, so it just definitely gets the job done. And now I'm switching over to a bigger blending brush just to add some color onto the inner part of the crease. That way it's not bare and we do have some color transitioning onto our outer corner. So now I'm going to take this ColourPop brush, and as you guys can see, it's not flat, it does have some fluff to it. And I'm going to take another Plouise base. This one now is in the shade Rumor 0, which is a blank white shade, and we are not doing a cut crease. The reason why I'm using this fluffy brush is because we're actually going to reopen the lid, but I'm not going for a dramatic cut type of lid. I'm going for more of a diffused soft type of effect. So as you can see, just using a different brush can give you that effect. So this one, like I said, had more fluff to it, and I am just gonna blend out those outer corners. So basically all we did was just give us an illusion of a bigger eyelid, but without doing the whole cut crease. So now I'm gonna set that with that nice cream shade in the Madison Beer palette, but it wasn't as bright as I wanted to. So I went into the Riviera palette from Anastasia, and I did take that matte white shade. You guys, this white is amazing. This is my favorite white shade. Also the one from the Norvina Pro palettes, you guys. That white is bomb. So now I am taking the Madison Beer palette, and I am going to take that shimmer right there on my brow bone. That's going to be the only thing that has shimmer because this is a all matte eye look. I am now also going to quickly do a little wing and also set my wing with matte black shadow in the palette as well. And it's very important that you set your wing with matte black eyeshadow, because I'm telling you, it's going to make this look even better. So now for lashes, I'm taking these Tata lashes in the style Bambi, and girl, these lashes served me because they are short in the inner corner and they get longer on the outer corner. So popping. So now your bitches turn. Now I'm hype. I got my lashes on. Now I'm feeling real prima donna. Now bitch, it's my birthday. Now I'm hype. So I got my bottles on deck. Okay, now I'm getting lit. So now it's time to do a face real quick before I get too drunk. Okay, because we got to party. We got to pop out tonight. We got to do a little photo shoot. So I am quickly going to do my foundation. I will leave all of the products, of course, down in the description box, because I am kind of going to skim through this part, being that you guys see me do my foundation all the time. And to be honest, in today's look, I did not use anything new beside the new Patrick Star powder you guys are going to see in a second. But every time it is a special occasion, I like to stick to my favorite products that I know are going to work. It is not the time to try out a new foundation on your birthday, sis, okay? You do not want to try out new shit because it could make or break your look, if you get me. So I recommend on your birthday or any special occasion to just stick to products that you know are going to look amazing. So anyway, I did try the new Patrick Star One Size powder, and bitch, I was blown away. So this is the only thing that I tried new. And girl, I just knew Patrick Star was not going to let my under eye down. Because sis, she is the queen of setting her fucking under eye. And let me tell you, that powder was amazing. So quickly going to bronze the skin and of course add some blush. This is the LA Girl Hottie palette. And yes, I love a good peachy blush moment. Y'all know this already. And now we're going to highlight for the gods. You guys, I had to back out my Benefit Cookie highlighter. If you guys have not tried this highlighter, girl, this one is more shifted toward the pinky silvery type of undertones. You guys know I love a golden type of undertone in my highlighter. But for this time around in winter time, it just literally makes your skin look like it's wet. I love it. So now moving on to the lower lash line, we are going to quickly smoke that out with some black pencil liner in our waterline, and of course some matte black eyeshadow. And of course you do not want it to just be black underneath your eyes because you are gonna look like a raccoon, so definitely drag a neutral shade under there as well. So now moving on to the best part, which is the rhinestones. You can get rhinestones, a pack of rhinestones off Amazon, or I got this pack actually from the beauty supply store. Again, shout out to my boyfriend for running to the beauty supply store literally right before this look because a bitch had no rhinestones. So yeah, he's the goat for that. So now I literally just pasted all of the rhinestones on with eyelash glue and a back of a brush. And I'm so sorry I didn't get a lot of footage of it because I was like literally an inch away from my mirror. Like I was so close to it. So I wasn't really getting a lot of footage of it. But you guys, literally they glue on super easy with just some eyelash glue. So yeah, now I'm gonna quickly do my go-to lip combo. This is the Morphe Bar Lip Pencil and also Sweet Tea. And now in the center, I am gonna take this lip and cheek mousse from the Morphe 2 collection, and this one is in the shade Wish. And actually my girl on YouTube, BR Glamazon, actually showed me about this freaking lip combo, and I am obsessed. I actually use this always for my cheeks until recently I started using it on my lips, and bitch, that moussey formula on the lips, it like fills in all the fine lines on your lips and it makes them look like you have filler. I swear to God. Like there's no lines at all on my lips with this mousse. I love this formula so much. So anyway, now that my face is done, I did quickly set my face with the Rare Beauty setting spray. And now you guys, we are going to quickly move on to this hair look because you guys wanted to see how I actually did this cute little hairstyle. So it is kind of like a half up, half down with some drop curls and a cute little bang moment. So yeah, so first you want to make your sections. So I'm going to separate what I want to actually put in the ponytail and what I want to leave out. But like I said, since I did have a long weekend of partying, my hair is so tangled, and of course because I did this hairstyle already. So I'm just showing you guys exactly how I did it. So now with that first section, you want to basically take out what is going to be your little bangs in the front. So I like to not take out too much hair in the front because I still want you guys to see my makeup. I don't want too much hair to be covering and getting all in the way in my eyelashes. So I like to take out a very small section, and you guys can see my hair is kind of thin, so I don't even got much hair to work with anyway, period. So now I'm going to just take that section and put it in a clip, that way it is out of the way. And now with this, as you guys, like I said, my hair is thin, so I am actually going to add some clip-in extensions only in the front, just to give my ponytail some volume. So this is like my little secret stash of some weave, okay? These are my clip-ins that I got on Amazon, so I'm not even sure the name of these. You can get clip-ins from the beauty supply store. Just make sure that they're 100% human hair. That way you can curl them, wash them, whatever. So now I am going to take these two clip wefts that did come in my set, and I'm only going to take those, like I said, and hide them in the front section of my hair. That way my ponytail can look a lot fuller. So you want to make sure that you have enough hair to cover all of your tracks and all of your wefts. And yeah, look, boom, you don't even know that I got some clips up in there, right? You know, the secrets. It's the secrets. It's the catfishing, okay? So anyway, now you want to go ahead and put your hair up into a nice sleek ponytail, and I'm going to grab my Got To Be hairspray. to make sure that that's all nice and sleeked and nice and tight. And you guys, I was so annoyed because all I could find is this damn lime green bright ass scrunchie, and I knew that that was gonna kill my vibe, so I had to hide it. So I did take a piece of hair and just like wrap it around the scrunchie, that way we don't see it. So I actually did that off camera. So yeah, now I'm gonna quickly put that top section into a bun and start working on the back. And girl, I just want to show you guys how long my hair got. There's no weave in the back. Okay, let me show y'all. Okay, no extensions back there. So I only put the extensions, just like I said, to make the ponytail a lot fuller, because it kind of will make the hairstyle look a little off if the ponytail is like mad thin and my hair is just mad long in the back. So yeah, I like to just, you know, put the two wefts in the front, that way everything looks nice and full. So now I am gonna take my flat iron. This is actually Janice's flat iron because my flat iron broke, so now I'm using hers. And yeah, so now I'm just gonna quickly do some drop curls. I love doing these drop curls with my flat iron because I feel like my curls come out better when I do it with a flat iron. They last a lot longer for me. Like I literally lasted in this hairstyle for like about 2-3 days. So yeah, make sure you're spraying all of your curls, of course, with some hairspray. I wouldn't recommend to spray your curls, of course, with the Got2b, because that shit will make your hair crunchy. But this is all I had, but it definitely does have a good hold, I will say that. But so yeah, so now I did curl all the back. Now I'm gonna curl the curls in the ponytail, and the direction that I'm curling all of my hair is away from my face. I'm not alternating the direction of the curls. They're all going in the same direction, which is away from the face. And now I am gonna tease the root of my ponytail just to give it some height. I love when I have the half up, half down, and there is height in my ponytail. I think that looks so cute. So yeah, you just want to tease the root, and that's how you get that nice lift and that nice volume up there. So now quickly we gotta lay these baby hairs to finish off this hairstyle, and I'm just gonna use my same edge control, the one that I use on my brows, but this one is in different packaging, but this one is from Kiss as well. And yeah, I wasn't gonna go in with my baby hairs because like I said, we are gonna cover it with the two little bang pieces in the front. So yeah, you guys, I'm so happy with the way my hair looks. But anyway, I'm gonna add this cute little pinche that I got from the beauty supply store, you know, just to give us more of the birthday glam effect, you know, all the accessories, add all that shit. But yeah, I'm so happy with how full my hair was getting, because you guys know I was suffering from hair loss. So even to be filming a hair tutorial right now, a bitch is hype right now, and I will be making a video on how I actually grew my hair out in a month. So yeah, now moving on to the fit. I told you guys I did get this shirt off Shein, and you guys, it was literally super cheap, so definitely check it out. And this is the completed makeup look with the rhinestone under eye and the hairstyle. You guys, I am obsessed. So thank you guys so much for requesting for me to refilm my birthday look. I'm so happy that I did it. Also, I did get some footage of it in low lighting, so that way you guys can really see the shirt and the rhinestones, and of course a little full body moment on IG. So yeah, thank you all for watching, and until next time guys, and thank you so much for wishing me a happy birthday. I love you all. Bye.